Watch closely. This is the world's largest steel plant. They can produce $20 million worth of products in a month, equivalent to the wealth I dream of having. First, coal and ore are unloaded from ships. These materials are transported to the factory. The sintering process of iron ore helps bind metal powder particles together. This giant is a smelter, with temperatures reaching 1200 C. At high temperatures, it turns into coke used for steel making. The sintered ore is crushed and sent to the blast furnace. The giant boiler catches the coke from the conveyor belt and cools it for several hours. Next, the processed materials are transferred to the blast furnace. Hot air at 1500 C is blown into the bottom of the furnace, converting iron oxides into elemental iron. The intense flames melt solid iron into liquid. The molten steel flows into the warehouse, slowly pouring into a large pot. A mechanical arm scoops out the slag, then pours it into the furnace for refining. Refined molten steel is continuously poured out from the bottom supply port. The steel billets slowly take shape and are gradually stretched. Cold water is added on the rollers for cooling, and they are quickly rolled forward. After repeated rolling, the required size for rebar. After cooling, they are picked up by electromagnets and sent to the gate for reheating. After straightening, the rebar becomes standard round shapes, continuously falling down. One billet can stretch into a coil of rebar, and the raw material is just a pile of inconspicuous ore.